Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your WebinarFuel account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your WebinarFuel account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin or a team member from your WebinarFuel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs, and sometimes they decide to go their own way. So you need to remove access to your WebinarFuel. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove an admin, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another gray menu here, and you want to click on Users. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the admins and team members you have in your WebinarFuel. So just scroll down to the user you want to remove. So for example, this one right here, and then off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Delete. Next, you're going to get a pop-up. Are you sure you want to remove this admin from your WebinarFuel account? Go ahead and click on OK. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that admin has been removed from my WebinarFuel, so they no longer have access to my account unless I come back in here and re-add. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin in your WebinarFuel account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.